loved spending some time with you guys today. And I went into your ball pit and I dug deep and I found a piece of paper. So, intention means to stretch. Include the needs of the whole. Your self-worth there is if, when you start your next meeting, to clearly state your intent and give people an opportunity maybe to share theirs as well. But get clear about what your intent, even if you don't speak it, there's a way that the meeting is going to get sharper and more focused. Rapport, building relationships of trust, requires us to see each other. And one way to do that is follow your genuine, natural curiosity and be curious what it means. Whatever do you want to be known for? And ask questions that spark that desire to connect. And that happens through curiosity. Openness. Two parts of openness. One, whatever it requires for you to be open to hear the people's responses. Mechanically asking questions that are open-ended. And we believe how and what questions are more powerful than why questions when in that space of wanting to connect. One of the questions that we shared with you multiple times is what struck you, and what we love about the what struck you is it allows the thinkers to respond, it allows the feelers to respond in whatever way that's suitable for them. And finally, question your assumptions. When you question your assumptions, instead of the label leading the relationship, their humanity begins to lead the relationship, and you can see the people for who they are. One of the things that we noticed in our dynamic together, if you remember the circle door table, there was a way in which power, when you don't have access to power to speak your words in such a way that the world matches them, or choose not to use force, then you're left with resignation. And resignation is not something that uses you, it uses you. It's not something that you can use, it uses you. And one way to deal with that is to recognize that there's a difference between conflict and combat, and that when you get clear about what your intent is, manipulation can pack its bags and leave, and you guys get to engage in conversations that matter. Bye.